Hello my beautiful dreamers! In this video I want to share how to use my profit book planner to make the most of it. So these 2 pages are dedicated for planning and previewing the entire week. You can find them at the beginning of each new week. Here you write down every smaller or bigger task you keep in your head. So later you can transfer these tasks to any of your daily plans. During the week, you can add new tasks or tick off the tasks that you have completed, but step by step. Let's start from the left page and fill it in together. Here you write down the month and here you put the dates. This block is created to record all the important tasks and meetings you have exactly the day of the week. That is not a to-do list, but your plan for that specific day. For example, visit to the doctor, project deadline, or friend's birthday. This is your weekly preview page that will help you to avoid situations when you open the daily page and see that tomorrow you have a project deadline you have forgotten about, or a meeting that needs time to prepare for. We also recommend transferring these tasks to daily pages to manage the time for the other tasks you have that day in a better way. So we have written down the tasks and meetings for the week. During the week, you can make changes in that block by adding or cancelling the tasks. Now let's get to mini block weekly goals. Here you can transfer tasks from the habit tracker as another reminder, or write down new promises. For example, plan the day in advance, finish reading the book, eat more veggies. In general, here write down kind of reminders to yourself. So each time you open this page, you will see your own promises to yourself. And here, well, I believe it's clear, you write, draw, put stickers, anything you want. Now let's get to the next page of weekly planning. According to us, it is one of the most important pages, as here you write down all the tasks you plan to complete this week. So let's start. Here you write down 3 priority tasks that you must do this week. You know that your success depends on the ability to prioritize the goals, right? There is such a saying, if there are more than 3 priorities, then you have no priorities. Did you know that the word priority was originally used only in singular? Of course, sometimes some important tasks may require much more time than the others, weeks or even months. Don't worry, calculate how much time you will need, more or less, to complete the task and put it as a first priority task every day until complete. If the task is too big, divide it into smaller steps. This section we use as a to-do list. Write down every single task, even the smallest one, even if you don't find it important. Done? Awesome! This is kind of a warehouse for all the tasks you keep in the head, and by writing the task down here, you are cleaning your head, so the thoughts about this task no longer distract you from work on the most important goals. Later you will be able to transfer these to-dos to the daily page, depending on the importance and the time you have. Don't worry if you have too many tasks. First, try to complete the most important ones, and if by the end of the week you have some of these tasks incomplete, you'll transfer them to the next page. The main idea is to free up the brain and the memory, and you will see how much easier it is to concentrate on the work. We suggest to highlight the tasks that are more important than others, and at the end of the week, once again look at the list. It may happen that some of the tasks are no longer worth of your attention, and you can cross them out easily. Perfect, let's move on. This blog can be used in many different ways. For example, meeting time planner, meal planner, or as a beauty rituals planner. It's up to you. That's it. We wish you a happy and productive week.